How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your HP monitor that weren't turned on. So the first thing that you want to do is to check the power cable itself to see if it has a physical damages. Now you could also try using another outlet or another power brick or extension if you're using something similar like that. And if it's still not working, you want to simply unplug everything from the HDMI itself, from the power cord, and just wait for at least 1 minute. Now, this will completely drain out the circuit board, allowing it to rest. And basically, in some other cases, this is the result of a short-circuited board. So you have to drain it from its power first in order for it to work. Once again, wait for at least 1 minute, plug it back in, and from there it should be ready to go. Now, if it's still not turning on, it might have some issues within the internal fuse, so you might want to get it checked out, or maybe even the battery, and from there you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.